Hey there, today let's look at how to change your PowerPoint file to a video using your WPS application. Start by launching WPS. Then you navigate to the PowerPoint file you wish to convert and open it. When the file is open, here on the top left corner, click on Menu. Then move to Save As, and in the drop down to your right, click on Video Exporting. You can set the name of your video here, and then here, ensure you change the file type to MPEG-2 video, then click on Save. Your PowerPoint file is now being converted into a video. The video is now set. Here you can open here to view the location of the video within your device, or you may choose to click here to open the video directly. If you find this video educative, please we would like you to like the video and remember to subscribe to Graceful Trade TV for updates on more videos.